few moments later.
아니, no, don't know English. This better हो गई है. Finally. 알아. 이거 그레일입니다.